Hey everyone, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Amy Mantis and today we're going to talk about inversions, dominant seventh inversions, starting with our lowest note on the A string, on the fifth string. So we're going to stick with G. I like the key of G. So we've got root position. We all know this one. We also know this one. Effectively the same chord. Different tonalities because of how the notes stack up, but they're both G dominant seven chords. So you might be thinking, why do I need to know my inversions on the string set if I know them on the upper four strings and I'm only ever really playing? Because this gives you more options. And we want to have more options. We want to be able to expand our playing palette. So first one we come to, root position. First inversion brings us to having B as the lowest note. Then we get F, that nice tritone, that 3 and flat 7. F's on the 15th fret on the D string. We grab G on the 12th fret on the G string, and then we grab D on the 15th fret as well on the B string. Your blues already got more interesting, rather than just, you now can do. You can just do those two notes. Oops, that, my friends, was a diminished chord. It's amazing what a half step can do for you. So then we get to second inversion, which has D on the bottom. So we get something like a, and that's actually a really good way to practice them. So I'll give you the last one and then I'll run through the practice routine. So then we come to our last one, which is third inversion. We have F on the bottom. F, B, D, G. Almost looks like an F major 9 chord. That would be this one. We flip those two around. Beautiful sound. So, quick and easy way to practice them. Actually not easy, and it should only be quick if you can play them fast. So, root position, first inversion, second inversion, third inversion. I had to think for a second because I was playing that 9. So here's what you can do. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that's the 9. You see, I make mistakes too. So we get, maybe we'll do them as half notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can go back and forth between any of them. Root, second, third, first. So you might not ever play this one. But who knows, you might now that you know it. They really serve you well when it comes to voice leading and when it comes to just breaking out of the basic bar chord shapes. And you find other things just by moving things around that you wouldn't otherwise. They're little happy accidents, but it's also helpful to know what they might possibly be. This would possibly be, this is actually just be a, that's an E minor 7. E, G, B, D. Third inversion. So I hope that was helpful. Cheers. Thanks for watching. It's only 5 minutes.